Hello, this video is about RPG Starter Kit and item categories. In previous video I created healing potion with an effect. Now I continue and I add big healing. It says big healing potion and some gold. It will be used as a currency. So now first of all we will create item category. It's very simple. It has just a name, so I will create name potions. Now I have to attach for that items this category, so potions for big healing too. Potions. Now we have to add created new shop, so new shop potions. Add. There is for example, how often will respawn, what is a currency, I will put gold. Buy modifier, sell modifier, it's a how NPC will sell it more expensive than its usual price, so you can select for example 3 and it will be 3 times more expensive for you than its real value, or you can put that you will sell only for 50% of the value. You can set anything, any form of accept all goods that will sell, that you can sell anything what you have in your inventory and it has value, not only that items that NPC sell. So add category, so I will select potions, I select fixed, that potions from level min to 100 store, and I will put stack amount 10. Save shop. Now we have to add this shop to NPC. So I will select potions. Oh, sorry, there is already something, so I will delete it. Okay, so we have now shop potions for first cube NPC. Now I want to show you that on lots of places you will find add condition. So it means that the condition that we used for conversation we can use also for shop. So this shop will be activated only if we will meet this condition. So I will use for example quest in progress and our visit brown area quest. So it means that this shop will be only active when you have that quest and it's not completed, so and not finished of course. So I will save it. Sorry, play, start new game. So I will come to NPC and there is no button for shop. So I will start quest, please visit brown area. So I have quest, visit brown area, and you can see there is a button shop. And when I will open it, it's a big healing and healing potion. So you can see that that conditions are useful in lots of ways. So for example, that quest can be unlocked when you are for example guild member, or any other combinations. You have lots of conditions and you can combine it. So this is how to create some basic shop. Of course we don't have any gold because we commented everything in that player start script in the beginning, so we have no gold yet. Oh sorry, I recompiled, so error. So this is about item categories and shop.